Hi you guys, what's going on? My name is Shaquan from SLFX Trading, and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys a few clips of me analyzing with the Swing Trading Society from this previous Sunday. So let me share these clips with you guys from our analysis session, and then we're gonna hop back into me over here.
Yes, ma'am. I'm just waiting on that. I'm gonna wait on that pullback, see what we're looking like.
If she and let's talk about this a little bit more. If this is an inverted hammer confirmation spinning bottom, she passed this candle right here, then yeah, we could potentially push back up in retracement form. I'm so serious when I say that. This is textbook money here. Especially too because New Zealand dollar has been pushing up too. And as you can see, Australian dollar and pound New Zealand dollar been dropping. Honey, those pairs correlate with that New Zealand like crazy.
You say AN and GN?
Go look at New Zealand dollar. I mentioned that last week. I don't know if I mentioned it to Ajane or you. I think it was you. I encouraged you to start looking at New Zealand dollar, right?
No, so AN and UN?
No, AN, Australian dollar. Dang it, I just keep saying the first part. Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, and pound New Zealand dollar correlate oppositely with New Zealand dollar. Go look at New Zealand dollar. You'll see that thing pushed up. But then when you look at Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, and then you look at pound New Zealand dollar, you see that they push down. So you're looking at this as so I know when you pull that trend line out, you're looking for that as a continuation reversal point, right? Because we have a higher high. So you're looking at that as a potential higher low, and then to continue back up to 77.152 and then higher, correct? Yep, I agree with you. That's a textbook trade right there. That's a beautiful markup. Are you in that right now? Yes. Okay. Are you entering in also on a lower time frame, or are you gonna stay on that one time frame? Here, talking
Actually,
to you.
I entered last week also. Last week or last 2 weeks.
So you're holding it as well from the bottom, right?
Yes.
Beautiful. Okay. Let me go to my weekly. Hold on one second. Okay, you guys, so you just saw those clips of us talking about what's to come in the market. Now, as you've all seen so far, New Zealand dollar has pushed up. If you've been studying that price chart, the Australian dollar versus the Japanese yen has pushed up as well. And then we even talked about the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, which ended up pushing down due to the New Zealand dollar ended up pushing back up to the upside as well too. And also from the same clip, USD JPY has been pushing back up as well. And one of the reasons why these things happen, you guys, is because what we do on Sundays is we analyze the potential moves. We're either analyzing that price is going to pull back to a particular price point so we can go ahead and participate, or we're going to sit on our hands. Now, the reason why this is important, you guys, is because as a Forex trader, what you're doing is you're analyzing for the future. You're analyzing for where price has been, where price is getting ready to go, and where you can participate. Does that mean you need to include yourself into every trade? No, that doesn't. Sometimes what it means is you just need to hold tight, sit still, let the market move so you can then participate in the market once it gets to a particular area. So I'll give you guys a really good example. The Australian dollar JPY trade that my student is in, he caught it from the very bottom at one of the zones in which I teach him how to draw his zones. And so as you guys can see, he had a really clean chart. Now, although price did pull back against him, as you guys can see, he was analyzing on, hey, I'm going to get back in this trade. Once again, keep in mind, this was on Sunday, and now we're already on Tuesday. So he should still be holding that trade and should have entered again. And if so, then he's in two really good positions. Just because the market pulls back does not mean that, hey, he should get out of the trade. It actually means that he should try to find an area to enter back in the trade, which is what he did. Because you guys, pullbacks are a means for us to participate. It doesn't mean we're going to trade the pullback. It just means that after price pulls back, he wants to then try to find another trade that goes in his direction, which you guys can see that was the thing that he did on that particular currency pair. On USD JPY, I'm actually in the trade, but I'm actually in the sell. Although price is pulling back against me, I'm not looking to get out of my sell. I'm actually looking for price to come up to a particular area and then drop again. That's just one of the things that I'm looking to do. Yes, I see it's pulling back. I'm still in profit. Hopefully the price doesn't go and stop me out of the trade. I'm not in drawdown on the pair yet. It just means that price is pulling back. So these are some of the things that we do here in the swing trading society. And as you guys can see, I'm actually talking to them. I'm watching their price charts. I'm looking at the price charts with them because it's my job as a Forex coach and teacher to educate people to not only analyze their own charts, but make sure they're actually analyzing their own charts, making sure they're actually gearing up to push the button, because trading can't always be a one dialogue type of thing. And let me explain what I mean here. It can't always be to the point where I'm always talking or they're always listening to me and what I think of the price charts, because they matter too. Their price charts matter too. And if I don't put them in a position to make them understand their price charts matter, if they're always looking at my price charts, they're always going to question their own. Am I drawing the zone right? Am I looking at the trend right? Am I analyzing everything right? Am I entering in the right place? Is this the right time frame for me? And so I do take a personal role and I do take a personal position within my students and my clients, price charts, their well-being on the charts and off the charts, as you guys can see. And it's just questioning everything that they do, which I was hoping they would question everything that I do as well, as far as how I work on these price charts, how I'm analyzing, and then how I can help them improve and get better for themselves personally. So if this is something that you are looking for and you're interested in doing, you guys, make sure you click the link down below to get a 15-minute discovery call with me. It's free. All it costs you is your time. So we'll just talk to see how we can work together. But for the most part, what I'm really interested in is your trading story. Where have you been? What trading issues do you have? And how do you want to take a proactive step into actually getting over your trading humps to get you closer to a personal goal that you have on your trading career? So if that's something that you're looking for, like I said, the link is down below in the bio. And I will be talking to you guys in the future videos. Have a really good one coming up for you guys tomorrow. So make sure you guys stay tuned.